What if you could own a fully built cabin home for under $150,000 total, assembled in days, not years, on your own land, without hiring a general contractor? That is exactly what Bunkie-style cabin kits are making possible in 2026. We are talking real structures with real walls, real roofs, and real livable space, and today I am breaking down everything you need to know. The kit prices, what you actually pay when all is said and done, where to buy them, and what 600 to 200 and 2,400 square feet realistically costs from purchase to move in. Stay with me until the end, because I am going to show you a size-by-size cost breakdown that most people have never seen laid out this clearly before. If you are new to this channel, hit subscribe right now. We cover affordable homes and real construction costs every single week, and this is exactly the kind of content that will save you tens of thousands of dollars before you ever break ground. What is a Bunkie cabin home? Before we get into numbers, let us make sure we are all on the same page about what a Bunkie cabin actually is. The word bunkie originally referred to a small secondary cabin, the kind you would throw up on a cottage property in Canada for extra sleeping space. Small, simple, no frills, assembled quickly. Companies like Bunkie Life out of Rockwood, Ontario turned that idea into a proper product and even appeared on Dragon's Den, receiving offers from all 5 investors. But the Bunkie concept has evolved significantly. Today, when people search for Bunkie cabin homes or Bunkie cabin kits, they are often referring to the broader category of prefabricated kit cabins, compact homes built from factory-engineered components that ship flat-packed or panelized directly to your site. These kits range from tiny 99-square-foot weekend retreats all the way up to full 1,200 and 2,400-square-foot primary residences. What ties them together is the model. You buy the kit, you prepare a foundation, you assemble on site, and you finish the interior. The factory does the hard engineering. You bring the site work. This is the category we are covering today, from the small classic Bunkie all the way up to full-sized livable homes using the same kit-based approach. The appeal of a Bunkie kit in 2026. Here is the honest reason why kit cabins are having a major moment in 2026. Construction labor costs have climbed sharply in the last 4 years. A traditionally stick-built home in the United States now averages between $150 and $300 per square foot in construction costs alone, not including land. A custom cabin can run even higher depending on your region. Kit cabin homes flip that equation. Log cabin kit prices typically run $50 to $100 per square foot for the kit alone, and a turnkey log home kit costs $125 to $275 per square foot when materials, installation labor, utility hookups, and interior and exterior finishes are included. That per square foot range for a fully finished kit home is still considerably below what a comparable custom build would cost in most US markets. Professional contractors who have priced out the real cost of traditional construction note that kit cabin costs per square foot can be roughly a quarter of what a standard room addition runs. Add to that the speed of assembly. Bunkie kits are designed so that 3 to 4 unskilled people can have a structure up in a single weekend. That is not marketing fluff. That is a genuine structural advantage of factory pre-cut, pre-labeled, panelized systems where the engineering has already been done for you. The classic Bunkie. Small kits and where they fit. Let us start with the category that put Bunkie cabins on the map. The original small format kits, typically 99 to 380 square feet, are sold by companies like Bunkie Life, the Bunkie Co, Heartland Bunkies, and Summerwood Products. These are ideal for guest spaces, backyard offices, Airbnb rental units, studio retreats, and lake or cottage setups. Bunkie Life kits start at $5,995 for the summer cabin model and go up to $24,495 for the Alcove 160 with loft. Most buyers spend between $9,000 and $16,000 on the kit itself, then an additional $1,500 to $5,000 on foundation, delivery, and finishing, bringing total all-in costs to roughly $11,000 to $22,000 for most builds. What is included in those kit prices is kiln-dried northern sprue logs, windows, door, hardware, roof boards, and build instructions. What is not included is foundation materials, delivery, stain and sealant, insulation, and any optional add-ons like decks, electricity, or interior finishing. One thing worth knowing about the permit picture: Bunkie models in the 97 to 106 square foot range, and up to 97 to 200 square feet in certain US areas, have been designed specifically to avoid the requirement for a building permit. Local zoning bylaws can still take precedence, so checking with your local office is always the right move. As a general rule, as soon as you make a dwelling your primary residence or use it for sleeping in, you will typically need a permit regardless of size. So the no permit window is real, but it applies mainly to secondary accessory structures, not full-time homes. Where to buy Bunkie cabin kits, let us run through the main places to shop in 2026 so you know exactly where to go. Bunkie Life at bunkielife.com ships across Canada and the United States. Their kits are northern spruce log wall systems. They range from 99 to 380 square feet and are best suited for secondary or seasonal use. The Bunkie Co. at thebunkie.com offers similarly sized units and ships to the US duty-free. Their units are made from Canadian fir and spruce plywood. Heartland Bunkies at heartlandbunkies.com serves the continental United States with free shipping to the lower 48 states. Their systems are designed for a small group of people to assemble in 1 to 3 days. Summerwood Products at summerwood.com offers the Bala Bunkie line in a wide range of sizes with a la carte doors, windows, and accessories. They can also work with custom designs. BZB Cabins at bzcabinssandoutdoors.net offers Nordic spruce log cabin kits in small to medium sizes with DIY assembly guides and optional assembly service. Pacific Modern Homes at pmhi.com offers panelized prefab cabin and chalet kits ranging from 600 to 2,000 square feet, which is where we start crossing into full home territory. Mighty Small Homes at mightysmallhomes.com is a US-based manufacturer producing SIP panel kit homes from 256 square feet all the way up to 1,500 square feet, designed for primary residences. DN Outdoors at denoutdoors.com offers flat-packed, panelized modern cabin kits for off-grid retreats, guest houses, and cottages. The 600 square foot Bunkie cabin, full cost breakdown. Now let us get into the numbers that most people came here for. A 600 square foot Bunkie-style kit cabin is the sweet spot between a tiny retreat and a fully functional small home. At 600 square feet, you can comfortably fit a living area, a kitchen, 1 bedroom, and a bathroom. It is enough space for a couple, a solo homesteader, a vacation rental, or a comfortable primary residence in a low cost of living area. Mighty Small Homes lists their modern series at 600 square feet with a base kit price of $48,144. Their cottage series at 600 square feet carries a base kit price of $57,415. These are SIP, or structural insulated panel, kits, which means the insulation is built directly into the wall panels. That matters because it reduces your finishing cost and dramatically improves energy efficiency. For a 600 square foot SIP kit home, exterior siding alone runs $5,000 to $8,000 for standard vinyl or engineered wood, and could reach $10,000 to $15,000 for premium materials like fiber cement or cedar. Now here is a realistic all-in breakdown for a 600 square foot kit cabin in 2026, using mid-range numbers. The base kit will run you approximately $48,000 to $58,000 depending on the brand and style. Foundation using compacted gravel and deck blocks on a simple site costs $500 to $3,000 for DIY, or up to $12,000 for a full concrete slab. For a cabin in the 500 to 600 square foot range, a basic foundation typically runs between $5,000 and $12,000. Delivery of the kit, depending on your distance from the manufacturer, will add $1,000 to $4,000. Roofing material not included in most kits adds $3,000 to $6,000. Windows and doors, if not already bundled, add $3,000 to $8,000. Interior finishing including drywall, flooring, kitchen, and bathroom fixtures realistically adds $18,000 to $35,000 depending on your choices. Electrical whole house wiring costs $4 to $9 per square foot, while a complete HVAC system with ductwork costs $7,000 to $16,000. That adds roughly $1,400 to $5,400 for electrical and another $7,000 to $16,000 for HVAC. DIY total estimate for a fully finished 600 square foot kit cabin, roughly $90,000 to $120,000. If you hire a contractor for most of the labor beyond assembly, expect $130,000 to $175,000 all in. That is still well below the $180,000 to $360,000 range that a traditionally built 600 square foot custom home would cost in most US markets today. The 200 square foot kit cabin. Price 1 to 200 square feet, you are looking at a proper 2-bedroom, 1 or 2 bathroom home with a full kitchen, living room, and room for a dedicated workspace. This is legitimate full-time primary residence territory. Mighty Small Homes prices their modern series at full 200 square feet at a base kit price of $65,345. Other panelized and log cabin kit manufacturers in this size range typically price kits between $60,000 and $90,000, depending on the construction system, log diameter, panel specs, and included components. A realistic all-in build cost for a 1,200 square foot kit cabin at the DIY level runs from approximately $160,000 to $220,000 when you factor in foundation, utilities, interior finishing, roofing, and systems. A rough rule of thumb from the industry is to multiply the kit cost by 2.5 to 2.75 to get an estimate of total cost, including the kit, construction labor, and full interior and exterior finishing. Using that multiplier on a $70,000 kit gives you a total estimate of $175,000 to $193,000. That is a genuinely affordable detached home in 2026. The 2,400 square foot kit cabin. Pricing at 2,400 square feet, you are in family home territory. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a full kitchen, dining room, living room, and garage potential. At this scale, the kit model transitions from cabin thinking to full residential construction, and the brands serving this segment shift toward larger panelized home kit companies, log home manufacturers like Meadowlark Log Homes and Pioneer Log Homes of BC, and full modular system builders. Log cabin kit prices at this size typically run $100,000 to $175,000 for the kit package alone. A small 2-bedroom cabin kit costs $25,000 to $200,000, while a 3-bedroom cabin sized from 1,000 to 3,500 square feet is better suited to full-time living. For a 20,400 square foot kit home, using the 2.5 to 2.75 multiplier on a $130,000 kit gives a total finished cost estimate of $325,000 to $358,000. That is comparable to or cheaper than median existing home prices in most U.S. markets right now, and you own the structure outright with no developer markup built in. A custom-built stick home of the same size in a mid-tier market would easily reach $400,000 to $600,000 or more. What drives the real cost up this is the section I want you to pay close attention to, because this is where budget shock happens. The kit price is the headline number, but it is never the whole story. Here are the variables that actually swing your total cost. Land and site prep. If your lot needs clearing, grading, or excavation, that alone can add $5,000 to $25,000 before a single panel goes up. Factor this in early. Utilities. Running power to land costs $5 to $25 per linear foot. Drilling and installing a new well costs $30 to $80 per foot. Installing a septic tank system costs $3,500 to $8,500. If you are building off-grid, a solar and battery system adds another $10,000 to $26,000. Permits and fees. Once your cabin exceeds 200 square feet or you are connecting to utilities, permits are typically required. Permit costs vary widely by county and state, but can run $1,500 to $8,000 for a residential project. Foundation choice. A simple gravel and deck block setup on flat ground is cheap. A full concrete slab on a sloped lot is not. The foundation decision alone can swing your budget by $15,000 or more. Finishing choices. The kit gives you a shell. Cabinets, counters, appliances, fixtures, flooring, and paint are all on you. Budget finishing on a 600 square foot cabin can be done for $15,000. A proper full feature finish will cost $30,000 to $50,000 depending on your material selections. Is a Bunkie cabin home actually affordable? Let us be honest about the full picture here. A Bunkie-style kit cabin is genuinely affordable relative to traditional construction, and the savings are real. You save on labor because the components are pre-engineered. You save on time because assembly is dramatically faster than stick-built. And at the small end, 99 to 400 square feet, you can complete a functional structure for well under $30,000 all in if you do most of the work yourself. At 600 square feet, a realistic all-in budget of $90,000 to $120,000 makes this one of the most cost-competitive paths to owning a livable structure in the US and Canada today. At 1,200 square feet, you are looking at $160,000 to $220,000, which is below the median home price in most American metros. And at 2,400 square feet, a finished kit home in the $320,000 to $380,000 range is competitive with buying an existing resale home. Except yours is brand new, built to your spec, and you controlled every dollar of the process. The honest caveat is that these numbers assume you have land. Land cost is completely separate and varies enormously. A rural lot in the Midwest might cost $20,000. The same acreage in Colorado or the Pacific Northwest could be $100,000 or more. And local zoning rules matter. If your cabin is intended for residential occupancy, even seasonally, it is regulated as a detached accessory dwelling unit in many jurisdictions, which comes with its own approval process and size restrictions. Always check with your local building department before you buy a kit for full-time residential use. But the bottom line is this: a Bunkie cabin kit is one of the most transparent, owner-controlled, genuinely affordable paths to a finished home structure available in 2026, and the market for them is growing for good reason. The Bunkie cabin kit market in 2026 is no longer just for cottage country weekenders. It has grown into a real option for first-time homeowners, downsizers, off-grid builders, and investors building short-term rental units. The kit system removes the two biggest pain points in construction: cost unpredictability and contractor dependence. You know what you are buying before you order, and you control the timeline. Whether you are starting with a $12,000 Bunkie Life kit for a backyard retreat, or scaling up to a $65,000 Mighty Smalls Home SIP kit for a full 200 square foot primary residence, the math works in your favor compared to traditional construction. Just go in with eyes open on foundation, utilities, permits, and finishing. Those are where the real numbers live. If you found this breakdown useful, please give this video a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to build or buy smarter. Subscribe if you are not already here, because next we are covering the hidden costs inside prefab home kits that most buyers don't see coming until it is too late. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you looking at a small backyard bunkie or a full-size kit home? I read every comment, and I will see you in the next video.